What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Give Me Face. I'm here with my boy Jeremy. We about to go in here in St. Vincent de Paul, do this dope ass shoot. I had an idea to have him in something like Vogue-ish looking. We're gonna do in studio shoot. Tell them where they can find you at though.
Yo, Uncle Jerms on Instagram. You know, check me out. Follow me.
Dope male model. Here in Cincinnati, but he about to move on us. Where you about to move to?
I'm about to move to Dallas, Texas, man.
I love it down there. 365 warm
Yes,
weather,
sir.
no
Yes, sir.
snow. I love it down there. Today's episode is brought to you by Give Me Face Co. If y'all know about it, y'all know about it. It's the only brand out here really putting money in models' pockets. Merchandise, hoodies, shirts, all that one shit. You know what I mean?
Right.
Make sure y'all go check them out. Link in the description. Let's go in here and fuck it up.
Let's do it.
All right, so we in here. I don't know what the fuck. Like, I know I wanted him in something Vogue-ish looking. I didn't have an actual mood board or anything put together. It was just a vision I had in my head. So we're gonna look through this shit, try some shit on, see how that shit look, and go from there.
Do it, bro.
Let's go.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
First attempt, as y'all seen, the pants look like he was about to be on some MC Hammer down. Some MC Hammer pants. So we're back to the drawing board. We had to switch up the whole outfit. So now we're gonna look for some polos with a little bit more fitting pants.
Yeah. So I won't float away.
Switched it up a little bit, you know. We had to put our masks on because they kept bothering us. Say that though. But we still got something a little dope. It ain't as 70s and vintage as I wanted it to be, but it's definitely some fly shit. So we definitely gonna make it work. I might stop one more spot. Got another outfit. We'll see. All right, y'all. We are here at Casablanca Vintage in Northside, Spring Grove Avenue. I knew here I was gonna be able to find the more vintage Vogue-ish look I was looking for. So we're gonna come here, see what we can find, piece together.